My first storybook, The Fire Engine. Mommy Pig is going to fire engine practice. Good excuse for a chat, says Daddy Pig. I have a very important meeting and a barbecue with Daddy's football team. Mommy Pig, Peppa, and George arrive at Miss Rabbit's fire station. Wow, gasped Peppa, seeing the big red fire engine. Fire engine, giggles George. It's the fire engine. There's Peppa going down. Daddy Pig and his friends are playing football and having a barbecue in the garden. Oh dear, the barbecue has turned into a fire! Daddy Pig rings the fire station. Ring, ring! The fire phone is ringing. Hello, Daddy Pig, answers Miss Rabbit. This phone is only for when there's a fire! Shouts Daddy Pig.
There's a fire now.
We'll be right there, replies Miss Rabbit. Mommy's to the rescue, cries Miss Rabbit, sliding down the fire pole. Holding tight, cries Mommy Pig. Whee! Laughs Peppa. The fire engine is ready to go. Whee! Peppa, George, and the mommy soon find the barbecue and get their water hose out. Stand back, daddies! Cries Miss Rabbit. The water comes spurting out the hose. Hiss! Hooray! Cheer! All the daddies when the fire is out. Thank you for saving us, says Daddy Pig. No problem, replies Miss Rabbit. It's all part of the service. Now that Miss Rabbit has flooded the garden, says Daddy Pig, we can jump up and down in muddy puddles. I love fire engines, says Peppa, especially when they make muddy puddles. Ooh, they're making muddy puddles. Whee!
Hooray!
The end.